Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well and you have spent a wonderful time during the vacation. We have enjoyed a lot, is not it? So now it is the time to get back to our studies. Today I am going to discuss about some multiple choice questions. As you know that we have finished our FA2 syllabus, so I am going to discuss about some multiple choice questions from chapter 3 and chapter 4. Today I will discuss the multiple choice questions from chapter 3. Okay. Now students, look at these questions. Okay. These are the multiple choice questions from chapter 3. First one is binary digits are. Options are 0 and 2, option B 0 and 3, option C 0 and 1. Okay, please don't write it now. Okay, first of all you just understand the concept, then you can write. Okay, this answer you will get in the page number 11. Okay, from chapter 3. Correct answer is option C. Correct answer is option C. Now second question is, the full form of ALU is option A arithmetic logic unit, option B arithmetic logic umbrella, option C arithmetic line unit. The correct option is arithmetic logic unit. Option A is the correct. This answer you will get in the page number 11 from chapter 3. Now next question is, please don't write it now. Okay, first of all you just understand, then you can start writing. Question number 3, memory of a computer is used to. Option A control data, option B store data, option C none of these. Which one will be correct option? Yes, option B is the correct option, store data. You will get this answer in the page number 12 from chapter 3. Question number 4. The two types of memory are, okay, option A permanent and temporary memory, option B permanent and network server, option C none of these. Which one is the correct option? Yes, option A is the correct. Permanent and temporary memory. This answer you will get in the page number 13 from chapter 3. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 5. The full form of DVD is option A drive versatile disk, option B digital versatile disk, option C digital viral disk. Which one is the correct option? Yes, option B is the correct, digital versatile disk. The full form of DVD is D for digital, V for versatile, D for disk. Okay, digital versatile disk. This answer you will get in the page number 14 from the chapter 3. Moving to the next question. Question number 6. Permanent memory is also known as option A RAM, option B ROM, option C DVD. Which one is the correct option? Yes, ROM is the permanent memory, RAM is temporary memory. Is not it? Yes, we know that RAM is a temporary memory and ROM is permanent memory. You will get this answer in the page number 13. Now moving to the next question. Question number 7. Temporary memory is also known as option A RAM, option B ROM, option C CD. This one is the correct option. Yes, RAM is known as temporary memory. Temporary memory is also known as RAM, random access memory. The full form of HDD is option A hard drive disk, option B hard disk drive, option C hardware disk drive. Which one is the correct option? Can you tell me? Which one is the correct option? Yes, option B is the correct, hard disk drive. You will get this answer in the page number 13 from chapter 3. Moving to the next question. Question number 9. How many types of CD are available? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4. How many types of CDs are available? Yes, three types of CDs are available. We know that the types of CDs are, what are the types of CDs? Can you tell me? CD-ROM, CDR, CDRW. These are the three types of CDs, is not it? You will get this answer in the page number 14 from chapter 3. So, for the question 9, option B is correct. Moving to the next one. Question number 10. USB flash drive is also known as option A pen drive, option B data cable, option C USB port. Which one is the correct? Yes, option A is correct. USB flash drive is also known as pen drive. We use pen drive for transferring data, is not it? You will get this answer in the page number 14 from chapter 3. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Question number 11. We plug in USB flash drive at motherboard, USB port, none of these. Which one is the correct option? Yes, option B is correct. We plug in USB flash drive at USB port. Is not it? Yes, you will get this answer in the page number 14 from chapter 3. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Question number 12. We plug in microprocessor or CPU chip. We have studied about microprocessor, or you can say CPU chip, in our previous chapter. Okay. So this one is the extra question I have taken from the previous chapters. Okay. We plug in microprocessor or CPU chip. Option A motherboard, option B display board, option C none of these. Correct option is yes, motherboard. Option A is correct. We plug in microprocessor or CPU chip where? In the motherboard. Moving to the next question. Question number 13. Control unit is responsible for the option A store data, option B flow of data, option C none of these. For which purpose we use control unit? Control unit is responsible for which purpose? Is it store data? No. It is flow of data. Yes, correct option is option B. Flow of data. Memory unit is used to store data, is not it? And control unit is responsible for the flow of data. It controls the overall transfer of data, is not it? You will get this answer in the page number 12 from chapter 3. Okay? So the correct option of question number 13 is flow of data, option B. Moving to the next question, question number 14. We use memory card in option A, washing machine, option B, digital camera, option C, television. Where we use memory card? Can you tell me? Yes, correct option is digital camera. Yes, we use memory card in mobile phone also, but mobile phone is not in our options, is not it? It is washing machine, television. We never use memory card in the washing machine and in the television. We use memory card in digital camera and mobile phones, but mobile phone is not given in the options. So correct option is digital camera. Option B is correct. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 15. The full form of BD is. The full form of BD is option A, blue disc, option B, Blu-ray disc, option C, Blu-ray disc. C, option B and C are similar, but there is a difference in the spelling. Can you see that? Yes, BLU, and here it is given BLUE, and here it is given DISC disc, and here it is given DISK, but pronunciation are same. So which one is the correct option? Can you tell me? Yes, option B is correct. Blu-ray disc. This one is the correct. You will get this answer in the page number 14 from chapter 3. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Question number 16. We use USB flash drive for option A, transferring data, option B, comparing data, option C, none of these. We know that USB flash drive is also known as pen drive. So for which purpose we use pen drive? Can you tell me? Yes, correct option is transferring data. Option A is correct. You will get this answer in the page number 14 from chapter 3. Okay. Moving to the next question. One example of storage device is option A, HDD, option B, software, option C, keyboard. Storage devices are used to store data, is not it? We know that storage devices are also known as secondary devices, and it is used to store data. So software, we know that software is a set of instructions and the keyboard is an input device, is not it? So which one is the correct option? Yes, HDD. This is the correct option. This is the example of storage device. Option A is correct. What is the full form of HDD? Hard disk drive. Okay. Moving to the next question. You can see this question number 18. Question number 18. Is it visible? I think it is visible. Calculations are made in a computer with the help of its Option A, memory. Option B, ALU. Option C, control unit. Which one is responsible for the calculation? Can you tell me that? Yes, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. So, option B is the correct. Is not it? Yes. Calculations are made in a computer with the help of its ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Moving to the next question. Question number 19. Dash takes information from the input unit and processes it according to the instructions. Option A, input. Option B, output. Option C, CPU. Which one is the correct option? Who takes the information and transfers to the input unit, then processes it? Processing is done by CPU. Yes, CPU takes the information from the input unit and then processes it. So the correct option is, we have studied about the IPO cycle in our previous chapters, is not it? So in the IPO cycle we have learned that CPU controls the processing section, and the CPU takes the information from the from the input unit, then it processes it and it transfers the data to the output unit. So the correct option is CPU. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 20. Dash remembers things forever and therefore called permanent memory. Which one is called permanent memory? Who remembers everything forever? ROM. Read only memory. ROM remembers everything forever, and therefore it is called as permanent memory. Option B is correct. Okay, now let's summarize the topics which we have studied today. We have discussed about the question number 1. Binary digits are, which one is the correct? Option C is correct. Now you can write. Okay, number 2, the full form of ALU is arithmetic logic unit. Option A is correct. Memory of a computer is used to store data. The two types of memory are permanent and temporary memory. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disk. B is correct. Permanent memory is also known as ROM. Question number 7. Temporary memory is also known as RAM. The full form of HDD is hard disk drive. Option B is correct. How many types of CD are available? How many types of? 3. Number 10. USB flash drive is also known as pen drive. We plug in USB flash drive at where? USB port. We plug in microprocessor or CPU chip at motherboard. Question number 13. Control unit is responsible for the flow of data. Question number 14. We use memory card in digital camera. Question number 15. The full form of BD is, correct option is Blu-ray disc. Okay. Question number 16. We use USB flash drive for transferring data. Question number 17. One example of storage device is HDD, hard disk drive. Okay. Question number 18. Calculations are made in a computer with the help of ALU. Option B is correct. Question number 19. Dash takes information from the input unit and processes it according to the instructions. Option C is correct. CPU. Question number 20. Dash remembers things forever and therefore called permanent memory. Option B is correct. ROM, read-only memory. Okay. Now have a look with the all question and answers. Okay. Question number 1. Binary digits are 0 and 1. Option C is correct. Number 2. Option A is correct. Number 3. Option B is correct. Now you can write. Okay. Number 4. Option A is correct. Question number 5. Option B is correct. Question number 6. Option B is correct. Question number 7. Option A is correct. Question number 8. Option B is correct. Question number 9. Option B is correct. Question number 10. Option A is correct. Question number 11. Option B is correct. Question number 12. Option A is correct. Question number 13. Option B is correct. Question number 14. Option B is correct. Question number 15. Option B is correct. Question number 16. Option A is correct. Question number 17. Option A is correct. Question number 18. Option B is correct. Question number 19. Option C is correct. Question number 20. Option B is correct. Okay. So students, please note it down in your computer notebook and learn it well. Okay. In the FA2 exam, there will be multiple choice questions. So please learn it well at home. Okay. So today we wind up. Bye bye.